Experience Calubian. Originally, its name was Eulalia in honor of a lady resident. Later, it was changed to Calubian due to the vast coconut plantation of the place. Calubian is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Leyte. Good morning, sunshine! So, this is the view from Lotus Beach Resort at Barangay Abanilla. That's the Biliran Island in the distance. Also spend your staycation at Coco Cabana Beach Resort, also located at Barangay Abanilla. During our stay, we had a chance to visit our late mother. So before leaving the cemetery, we performed paaso. This brings good luck and well-being to the family. Those who visit the grave must pass by the smoke before leaving the graveyard. This also said to untangle the spirits of the dead from the bodies of the living.
Okay?